Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is your daily 707. Get up, get up, get up, get up. All right. So, I know it's a weekend, probably if you're in Kenya, if you're watching this during the morning. But if you're seeing this any other day, I just want to say good morning. And today I'm talking about packages. You know, one of the things that many times prevents us from being able to understand what life is giving us is life has this thing about putting big things in small packages and small things in big packages, because most of the time things that are valuable are usually hidden. Get this right. Things that are valuable are usually hidden. Whenever you find something in plain sight, something that is so available, that availability makes it common, and therefore usually the value is much lower. Whenever you're looking for a good thing, understand that really good things are usually hidden. When you're looking for a really good pair of shoes at really good value, sometimes the places that you have to go to are crazy. When you're looking for a really good friend, a really good, marriage partner, those people sometimes look hidden, as in, and many times they are hidden in plain sight. So I'm talking to somebody today who's looking around their life and you're thinking, there's nothing good around me. There's nothing important in this place. I'm talking about packages this week. And I'm telling you that most of the time, treasure is hidden in packages. Packages that seem ordinary, packages that seem casual, packages that are cheap. But the truth of the matter is, inside there's a valuable thing. Do not be confused by the packaging of a thing to the extent that you despise something that is valuable. Most good friends come in bad packages. A good friend, for example, will be the kind of person that may not say the things that you like to hear. A good friend is the kind of person who's always picking a fight with you. They call you out on your crap. They say, hapo hiyo ni upuzi. That's rubbish. What you're saying is rubbish. They call you out on your crap and they tell you you're wrong. A good friend will always disagree with you because they'll sit and say, no, I don't think you should do that. And you end up in long arguments. And people that go masquerading as good friends, many times are just banana backbones, yes men or women around you who don't really care about you. So I just want to challenge you. Don't be deceived by packaging. Learn to look around your life and peel the packaging from the product. Figure out, is this a good product or not? Good products many times are in very deceptive packaging. Don't lose your stuff just because you checked the container before you checked the product. All right? Cheers. This is your daily 707. We're doing packaging this week. See you next time.